In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add money from debit card to Venmo. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can use a debit card or any other payment method to add balance to your Venmo account. To do this, you will first have to link the debit card. So open Venmo and head over into the settings by tapping this icon at the top right corner of your profile. When you go into these settings, you will find payment methods. This is where you can attribute different payment methods, including a debit card. So tap on payment methods under the settings and then add a bank or a card. Now you can select card and be aware of any included fees. And then you can input the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, security code, and finally the zip code. You can add this as your backup payment, but this isn't necessary. And you can even use your camera if you would like to automatically fill out some of these details. Once everything has been filled out and the card has been verified, it is going to appear under the list of payment methods and you will see this message: your card was successfully added. Now you can start the process of actually adding balance. Go back to your profile and you will see your Venmo balance in here. If you select the option beside it to transfer, this will allow you to manage your balance, and finally you can select add money. Move money into your Venmo balance, so choose manage right next to Venmo balance. If you don't see the manage option, it could indicate that your account is not verified. I would recommend contacting support. Now that you've selected add money, you can input the amount and then choose the card from the list here. So you will have all of the payment methods available. If you have multiple ones, make sure that you tap on this arrow and you choose the appropriate one. And once you select a valid bank or card, the money will be transferred to Venmo and you will see it under your balance. You can repeat this as many times as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to add money from debit card to Venmo. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.